gotta do that one too, huh? What is that?
I know. What is this stuff?
It's nori. Korean one.
I can open it.
Yeah? Let's see what else is in there. Looks like there's a little bit more. Box felt heavier than just that. So. Seeds. Wow, look at all that. Oh my goodness. It's a present. You know what it says?
It says Alina.
It says, Happy birthday, Alina. You want to take the stuff out around it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oopsies. Take that stuff around it, honey. Take that stuff out first. Got graham crackers. Look, she sent you graham crackers. Ooh, the cream crackers. Those are good stuff. And then, what else? Oopsies. What's around it? Ooh, what kind of jelly is that? More seed. More jelly. That's why it was so heavy, because all the jelly. And a present. Let's see, what is it? Oh my goodness, look at all of that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, there's 2 books. Ooh. Wow. That one's nice and colorful, huh? What is that one? Wow. Can we say thank you, Great Grandma?
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.